Hi friends, this is Manikanta Prasanna Kumar and welcome to my channel Maths with Money. You can follow me on my Facebook page Maths with Money. Regarding myself, I was selected in RRB NTPC and also SSC CGL, and I have 3 years experience in teaching quantitative aptitude. So coming to this video, it is regarding explanation of CGL 2018 mains questions which was conducted on September 12th. సెప్టెంబర్ 12th ఏదైతే ఎగ్జామ్ జరిగిందో ఆ రోజు ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్స్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఆల్రెడీ 10 క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయాయి అండ్ ఇన్ దిస్ వీడియో ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ 11 to 20 క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే, అండ్ బిఫోర్ స్టార్టింగ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ వీడియో ఐ వాంట్ టు టెల్ యూ, సో చాలామందికి ప్యూర్ మ్యాథ్స్ అనేది డౌట్ అనమాట. సో ప్యూర్ మ్యాథ్స్ కాన్సెప్ట్ మీద కానీ, ప్యూర్ మ్యాథ్స్లో ఉన్న ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కానీ, నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ మోడల్స్ కానీ, ఓకే, సో దానికి సంబంధించి నా క్లాస్ నోట్స్ అలానే ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనేవి ప్రస్తుతం ఇప్పుడు ఇన్స్టామోజోలో దొరుకుతున్నాయి. సో ఇన్స్టామోజో, ఐ హోప్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ నో దిస్ ఇన్స్టామోజో నుంచి మీరు డౌన్లోడ్ పర్చేజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. లేదంటే ఇఫ్ యూ మెసేజ్ టు మై వాట్సాప్ నెంబర్ యూ కెన్ ఐ విల్ సెండ్ యూ ఆఫ్టర్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ పేమెంట్. యూ కెన్ పే త్రూ గూగుల్ పే ఆర్ ఫోన్పే ఆర్ పేటిఎం. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఏ పీడిఎఫ్స్ మీకు అవైలబిలిటీగా ఉంటాయి అంటే, ఏపీపీఎస్సి కండక్ట్ చేసే ఏ ఎగ్జామ్కైనా కూడా జనరల్ స్టడీస్ అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో కాబట్టి ప్రీవియస్ ఇయర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నీ కూడా టాపిక్ వైజ్ కంపైల్ చేయడం జరిగింది. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ద టాపిక్స్. ఈ టాపిక్స్ అన్నీ కూడా కలిపి మనకి 580+ క్వశ్చన్స్ అనేవి ఉన్నాయి. సో మీరు ఏపీపీఎస్సికి సంబంధించి ఎగ్జామ్స్ ఏమైనా ప్రిపేర్ అయితే ఈ పీడిఎఫ్ అనేది మీకు యూస్ఫుల్ అవుతుంది. అంతేకాకుండా నెక్స్ట్ రిమైనింగ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ లైక్ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో ప్యూర్ మ్యాథ్స్ ఉండే టాపిక్స్ ఏవైతే ఉన్నాయో వాటికి మీకు ఈ టాపిక్స్ అన్నీ కూడా చదువుకోవాలి. లైక్ ట్రయాంగిల్స్, క్వాడ్రిలేటరల్స్, సర్కిల్స్, ఇన్స్క్రైబింగ్ ఫిగర్స్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ అంతేకాకుండా మెన్సురేషన్ 3D, ఆల్జీబ్రా, ట్రిగ్నోమెట్రీ, ప్రోగ్రెషన్స్, కోఆర్డినేట్ జియోమెట్రీ. వెన్ యూ ప్రిపేర్ ఫర్ ఎస్ఎస్సి CGL ఆర్ CHSL, ఓకే, ఆర్ ఏపీపీఎస్సిలో మీకు DAO ఎగ్జామ్, FRO ఎగ్జామ్, ఈవెన్ బ్యాంకింగ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో మీకు కొన్ని ఏంటి 3D మెన్సురేషన్ అడుగుతూ ఉంటాడు, లేకపోతే 2D మెన్సురేషన్ అడుగుతూ ఉంటాడు ఒక్కొక్కసారి. మిగతా టాపిక్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ లేదు కానీ మెన్సురేషన్ ఒకటైతే ఉంటుంది. నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకా ఎక్కువగా ప్రిపేర్ అయ్యే అభ్యర్థులు RRB NTPCకి కూడా ఇవన్నీ కూడా మీకు యూజ్ అవుతాయి. ఓకే, అంతేకాకుండా పర్టికులర్గా ఎవరైతే ఏపీపీఎస్సి DAOకి ప్రిపేర్ అవుతారో వాళ్ళకి ఈ టాపిక్స్ అనేవి ఇంపార్టెంట్, లైక్ స్టాటిస్టిక్స్, మ్యాట్రిసెస్, సెట్స్, రిలేషన్స్ అండ్ ఫంక్షన్స్. ఈ 3 టాపిక్స్ కూడా వెయిటేజ్ కూడా చాలా ఎక్కువ అనమాట. సో ఈ టాపిక్స్ కూడా మీకు అవైలబిలిటీగా ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సో లెట్స్ స్టార్ట్ అవర్ మెయిన్ వీడియో. ఓకే, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 11 to 20th. సో ఫస్ట్ సీ ద క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 11. See this. By selling 2 articles for 800 rupees, a person gains the cost price of 3 articles. The profit percentage, here he was asking profit percentage, not profit. డైరెక్ట్గా మీకు ఎంత ప్రాఫిట్ వచ్చింది అనేది ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయక్కర్లేదు. యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ద ప్రాఫిట్ పర్సంటేజ్. ఓకే, లెట్స్ సే ఇఫ్ ఐ టేక్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఆఫ్ 1 article ఈజ్ 1 rupee. ఓకే, వాట్ అబౌట్ గెయిన్ ఆర్ ప్రాఫిట్? ఇట్ ఈస్ కాస్ట్ ప్రైస్ ఆఫ్ 3 articles, దట్ ఈస్ 3 rupees ఈస్ ద గెయిన్. క్లియర్? 3 rupees ఈస్ ద గెయిన్. దట్స్ ఇట్. Now you have to find out profit percentage. What is the formula for profit percentage? Profit by cost price into 100. What is the profit? Here you are getting profit is equal to 3. And what about cost price? Here 1 article cost price is 1 rupee. But here you are selling 2 articles. So 2 articles cost price is 2 rupees into 100. So 3 by 2 into 100 means 150 percentage. That's it. Where it is? Third option. Whether he buys for 800 rupees or 900 or 10,000 or 1 lakh, whatever the value may be, here you are finding that profit percentage. Clear? Next one. 13th. The value of 0.545, 0.081, 0.51 into 5.2 by 0.324 whole cube plus 0.221 whole cube minus 0.545 whole cube. So whenever you have these type of problems are there, you can solve using algebraic identities. Clear? So how can you solve it? Okay. Let's see. Here you have to take this 324 as A, and it is B, and it is C. Now observe what is the value of A plus B. If I add these two, it is equal to 0.545, that is nothing but C. That means what is the value of A plus B? It is equal to C. A plus B equal to C means A plus B minus C equal to 0. Yes or no? Whenever sum of three variables is 0, then sum of the cubes is equal to 3 times of the product of the variables. Yes? So I can write here this identity as A plus B plus minus C equal to 0. Here the variables are A, B and minus C. Okay, so that's why A cube plus B cube plus minus C whole cube is equal to 3 into A into B into minus C. So finally నేను ఏం చెప్పొచ్చు, A cube plus B cube minus C cube is equal to minus 3ABC. అవుతుంది minus 3ABC. Clear? So కాబట్టి నేను ఏం చెప్పొచ్చు, in the value of this A cube plus B cube minus C cube I can write minus 3 times of ABC. Okay. Now observe the numerator. Okay. In the numerator, the values ABC are there or not? In the value of 0.545, I can write A. Okay. What about 0.324 and 0.221? I can write this 0.081 as 0.081, and in place of 5.2, I will write 4 into 1.3. 4 into 1.3, that is 5.2. Now 4 into 0.081 is nothing but 4 ones 4, that is 0.324. Yes, 4 into, that's why 0.545, I can write the numerator as 0.545 into 0.081 into 4, that is 0.324 into 0.551 into 1.3, that is equal to how much? 0.51 into 1.3. Yes. Now again I'll write this 0.51 as 3 into 0.17. Yes or no? 3 into 0.17. What is the value of 0.17 into 1.3? 0.17 into 1.3 is 0.221. 0.221. Yes or no? Okay. So finally now I have in the numerator, what are the values? It is A, it is B, sorry, it is C, it is C, and 3 to 4 as A, and 3 into 0.221 is B. So finally in the denominator I have minus 3ABC, but in the numerator I have 3ABC plus 3ABC. So both get cancelled. So what is the final value? Minus 1. Sir, how can you write these values? 3ABC. So with the practice you can write down. చాలా మంది ఏం చేస్తారంటే ABC అవ్వచ్చేమో, సో 3ABC క్యాన్సిల్ అయితే minus 1/3 ఉండొచ్చు. So here option is not there, minus 1/3, but sometimes he may ask in that way also. Okay, you have to check it whether the numerator is 3ABC or ABC. చాలా క్లియర్గా చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. ప్రతిసారి మీకు 3ABC ఉంటుంది అని బై హార్ట్ చేయొద్దు, అంటే ఖచ్చితంగా అది ఉంటుంది. సో 3ABC న్యూమరేటర్, అండ్ ఇన్ ద డినామినేటర్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ A plus B plus C equal to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube is 3ABC. Okay, A plus B minus C 0, then A cube plus B cube minus C cube is minus 3ABC. You have to remember that. Okay. Next one. 14th. It is very easy problem. We already discussed the same model in September 11th shift explanation. Okay. The bisector of angle B in triangle ABC. Suppose if it is a triangle ABC. A, B and C. Bisector of angle B, that too internal angular bisector. If he was not mentioning whether it was internal or external, you have to take internal only. Okay. Meet AC at D. Next, AB is 10 centimeters and BC is 11 centimeters and AC is 14 centimeters. What is the length of AD? AD is X anukunte X find out cheyali. So we have a property in internal angular bisector, that is internal angular bisector divides the opposite side in the ratio of the angle containing the sides. So what is the ratio of 10 by 11? That is 10:11. No further simplification. That means if AD is 10 parts, then what about CD? 11 parts. What about total? 10 plus 11, 21 parts. This 21 parts is given as 14 centimeters. So what about one part? It is 14 by 21, that is equal to 2 by 3 centimeters. But what you have to find out? AD. AD is how many parts? 10 parts. So if one part is 2 by 3, what about 10 parts? It is 20 by 3 centimeters. It is 20 by 3 centimeters. That's it. So where it is? Fourth option. Clear? Next, 15th one. A solid metallic sphere of radius 8 centimeter is melted and drawn into a wire of uniform cross section. Okay, if the length of the wire is 24 meters, then what about its radius in millimeters? Observe this, very important, in millimeters. Here the dimensions are given in 8 centimeters and 24 meters, and you have to find out the radius in millimeters. Okay, so here a sphere of radius 8 centimeters is converted into, when a 3D figure is melted and it was recasted into another 3D figure, the volumes are same. Okay, volumes of the initial and final 3D figures are same. Here this sphere is converted into a wire. Wire means it is always a cylindrical. Okay, so its length of the wire is nothing but height of this cylinder. It is given as how much? 24 meters. And you have to find out the radius. For suppose radius of the cylindrical wire is smaller, you have to find out that radius. So since a 3D figure is converted into another 3D figure, definitely volumes are same. So volumes of the sphere is equal to volume of the cylinder. What is the volume of sphere? 4/3 pi r cube. What is the value of r? 8 cube. What is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square into h. What is the value of h? 24 meters. Here the radius of the sphere is in centimeters, so I have to convert this meters into centimeters, so multiply with 100. Okay, what about the calculation simplification? So pi cancel. Okay, next 8 ones 8 threes, and next 4 ones 4 25s. So finally I can write r square equal to 8 into 8 by 3 into 3 into 25 in centimeters or meters? Centimeters. Okay, 8. Now what is the value of r? You can easily find out. 8 by 3 into 5, that is 15 centimeters. But he was asking in millimeters, yes or no? So you have to convert it into millimeters. సో 8/15 సెంటీమీటర్స్ని మిల్లీమీటర్స్లో కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఎంతతో మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి? 100. ఓకే, 5 3s 5 20s, సారీ సెంటీమీటర్స్, సారీ 10 10 10, సారీ 10 mm is equal to 1 centimeters, yes, so 10. So 5 3s 5 2s, 8 into 2 16/3, 16/3 means 5 1/3 millimeters, where it is third option. Okay, that's it. So simple calculation, but you have to know that when a solid figure is converted into another solid figure by melting and recasting, then definitely their volumes are equal. If you know this concept, you can easily solve it. Okay, next one. The sum of the internal angles, of a regular polygon is a 1260 degrees. What is the difference between an external or exterior angle and an interior angle of the polygon? So suppose there is a polygon in which the sum of all the internal angles is 1260 degrees, and you have to find out what difference between internal and external. Okay, very simple. Okay, so what is the formula for sum of all internal angles? N minus 2 into 180 degrees. This is given as 1260 degrees. So after calculation, 0 0 cancel, 18 ones 18 sevens. N minus 2, 7 means what is the value of n? 9. Since n is equal to 9, what is the value of external angle? External angle is equal to 360 by n. 360 by n means 360 by 9, that is 40 degrees. Okay, if external angle is equal to 40 degrees, what about each internal angle? It is nothing but 180 minus 40, because sum of external and internal are always 180, that is 140. So I know the now I know the value of external as 40 and internal is 140. You have to find the difference between these two. 140 minus 40, that is 100 degrees, where it is third option. That's it. So for that you have to remember this formula, and from that you can easily find out the other values. Okay, that's it. Next, 17th. ABC start a business. Okay, A invests 33 1/3% of the total capital. Very good. B invests 25% of the remaining. B invests 25% of the remaining, and C invests the rest. Okay, C invests the rest. If the total profit at the end of the year is 1,62,000, what is the share of A in the profit? So profit ratio is always in the ratio of the amounts into time, but all are the invested for a year, so time period is same, so their profit ratio is directly proportional to the amount they are invested. Yes, so here A invests 33 1/3%. You have to convert into percentage into fraction, so 1/3. Here B invests 25%, 25% means 1/4. So the total capital is equal to LCM of these two. If I take the LCM of these two, then it is easier, for me it is easier to solve the problem. So total capital is 12. Okay, now in that total capital, what about the amounts invested by A, B and C? That you have to find out. So 33 1/3%, if the total capital is 3, in that one part is A, but since here the total capital is 12, what about the A capital? 4, because if 3 it is one part, if it is 12 that is multiplying with 4, so 4 parts. Okay, next B invests 25% of the remaining. If 4 is invested by A, then what about the remaining 8 parts? Okay, B invests 25% of the remaining. If 4 parts is remaining, then 1 part is invested by B. But here 8 parts is the remaining, that is multiplying with 2. So that means if 8 parts is remaining, what about the B capital? 2 parts. Clear? Very good. Next, C invests the rest. Out of 12 parts, A is 4 and B is 2. 6 parts is over. What about the C? 6 parts remaining, that is 12 minus 6, 6. Now tell me the ratio of amounts invested by A, B and C. Here 4 is to 2 is to 6. That means 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 3s. So the ratio is 2 is to 1 is to 3. Yes, 2 is to 1 is to 3 is the ratio of A is to B is to C. A is to B is to C is 2 is to 1 is to 3. So total, what about the total profit? That is 6 parts. It is given as 1,62,000. But what we have to find out, the amount or the share of A, it is how many parts? 2 parts. If 6 parts is 1,62,000, 2 parts means you have to divide with 3. Then you will get 2 parts. So simple calculation, 3 1s, 3 5s, 3 4s and 3 zeros. So 54,000 rupees is the share of A. Which option? 54, that is second option. That's it. Clear? Okay. Next, 18th one. In triangle PQR, I is the incenter of the triangle. I is the incenter of the triangle. If angle QIR is 107 degrees, then what is the measure of the P? Angle P. We already discussed it in the previous shift, that is September 11th shift. For suppose it is a triangle PQR. Okay. If I is in center, angle QIR, it is given as 107 degrees. What is the angle at in center? It is equal to 90 plus angle P by 2, that is 107 degrees is nothing but 90 plus angle P by 2. It is direct formula. So what is the value of angle P by 2? It is equal to 107 minus 90, that is 17 degrees. So angle P equal to 17 into 2, that is 34 degrees. Where it is? Second option. Clear all of you? That's it. Simple. Next 19th, it is very important model. We already discussed these type of models in the previous shift also, and I can solve this in very less time. Okay, let's see. What is the compound interest on a sum of 7,200 rupees for 2/5 years at 20% per annum interest, compounded yearly, nearest to an integer, nearest to an integer. You have to find out the compound interest. That's it. Okay. Let's check it out. So per year or per annum, what is the interest? 20%. So first year number of years are 2/5 years. So first year, second year, and it is third year. Or third year means 2/5 years. First year, what is the percentage of rate of interest? 20%. Yes. Second year also 20%. But in third year, he was given for 2/5 years only. Per year 20%. So 2/5 into 20% means for third year he was taking 8%. Okay. 20% means 1/5. 1/5. 8% means 2/25. Yes. Okay. Now apply the concept of this principal E amount. First year, if principal is 5 parts, amount it was increased by 1 part, that is 6. For second year also, 5 parts is principal and amount is increased by 1 part, that is 6. What about third year? Third year, if principal is 25 parts, 2 parts increases with amount, that is 27 is the amount. So find out this. Principal, total principal is how much? 5 into 5 into 25, that is 625 parts is principal. And 6 into 6, 36, 36 into 27, that is a 972. That means principal is 625 and amount is 972. What about the difference? This difference shows the interest. This difference shows the interest. 972 minus 625, that is how much? 972 minus 625, that is equal to 347 parts. What he was given? Compound interest on sum. Principal is given, 625 parts is given, and you have to find out 347 parts. Clear? Let's see. 625 parts is 7200. 625 parts is 7200 rupees, and you have to find out 347 parts. How much? Clear? So 347 into 7200 by 625. If you are good at calculations, you can easily solve it. 25 25s and 25 2s, 220, 25 8s, 25 8s. Okay. Next, multiply 25 ones 25 and 38. So 38 kabatti 25 ones and 3 vetacha. Sorry, 13 kabatti 25 5s. Okay, 11.5. So you have to multiply 347 with 11.5 and you have to find out the nearest integer. Nearest integer. Observe the options. Options 4205, 4290, 3960, 3997. So you definitely have to multiply. 11 to multiply cheyandi, 11 7 77, 11 4s 44 7, 81, 33, 40, 1 minute, 17, 44, 51, 38, 38 17. Next you have to multiply with 347 with 0.5. 347 with 0.5 means 174. So 3992. So the value which is nearer to 3992 and greater than 3992, because I am taking 11.5 here. So 3992 కన్నా నియరెస్ట్ వాల్యూ ఏదైతే ఉందో అదే ఆన్సర్ అవుతుంది. 3992కి నియరెస్ట్ వాల్యూ అండ్ ఇట్ షుడ్ బి గ్రేటర్ దెన్ 3992. దట్ ఈస్ ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్ ఈస్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, సో హియర్ డెఫినెట్లీ ద క్యాలిక్యులేషన్స్ ప్లేస్ an important role. Okay, so the final answer is fourth option. Next, 20th, it is another important model repeatedly given in all the shifts. Okay, that is using BODMAS rule. 1 1 by 3 by 2 6 by 7 of 5 3 by 5 divided by 6 2 by 5 divided by 4 1 by 2 of 5 1 by 3 into 3 by 4 into 2 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 9 of 1 1 by 5 equal to 1 plus k, where k lies between. How it is? Very very important and it's a lengthiest problem. Okay, you have to skip these models in the initial stage and you have to solve it in the last when you have time. Okay, so I'll tell you how to solve it. You have to convert all the mixed fractions into fractions first. Okay, let's see. 1 1 by 3, that means it is 4 by 3 divided by 2 6 by 7, that is 20 by 7 of 5 3 by 5, that is 28 by 5 divided by 6 2 by 5 that is 32 by 5 divided by 4 1 by 2 that is 9 by 2 of 5 1 by 3 that is 16 by 3 into 3 by 4 2 2 by 3 that is 8 by 3 divided by 5 by 9 of 1 1 by 5 that is 6 by 5. Okay, what I told you how to use BODMAS rule. So first you have to find out B, that is bracket. Here 3 brackets are there. You have to do first in brackets. Here 3 brackets are there. You have to individually again apply the BODMAS rule in those brackets. Okay, if I observe in the first bracket, after that bracket off is there. Off is nothing but, it is nothing but multiplication. So you have to do first this calculation. Okay, 20 by 7 off is nothing but multiplication. Off is nothing but multiplication. Okay, similarly here also off is multiplication. Off is multiplication. Okay, so ekkadaithe manaku off undo left side of the number or to the off and right side to the number of off should be placed in the bracket again. Okay, so observe this calculation. 7 1s 7 4s 5 4s, next 3 1s 3 3s 2 1s 2 8s, next 5 5 cancel, 3 3s 3 2s. Clear? Again you have to the next step, you have to write down the next step. What is that? 4 by 3 divided by 4 into 4 that is 16 bracket close divided by 32 by 5 divided by 3 into 8 that is 24 into 3 by 4 into 8 by 3 divided by 2 by 3. Clear? In the brackets after off you have to write division. Okay, whenever there is a division in that particular bracket you have to do that first. Here only one operation is there, division. 4 by 3 divided by 16. Divide by 16 equal to 4 1s 4 4s, 4 into 3 12, that is 1 by 12 divided by this divided by, and 32 by 5 divided by 24, 8 3s 8 4s, 3 into 5 15, that is 4 by 15 into, here in this bracket you have two operations, and which operation has to task first? That is division, because in BODMAS division first. So you have to first do this. 8 by 3 divided by 2 by 3, 3 3 cancel, 2 1s 2 4s. Next again 3 by 4 into 4, 4 4 cancel, you have finally 3. Clear? Again in this final operation you have to do what next? Division. Okay, so division 1 by 12 divided by 4 by 15. 1 by 12 divided by 4 by 15, 3 4s 3 5s. Okay, so 5 by 16 into 3. 5 by 16 into 3 means 15 by 16. Yes, 15 by 16. It is this, so total value is 15 by 16, but it is given as 1 plus k. 1 plus k. So what is the value of k? 15 by 16 minus 1. 15 by 16 minus 1, take LCM. 15 minus 16 by 16 means minus 1 by 16. What is the value of minus 1 by 16? It is equal to minus 0.0625, like this. Yes, minus 0.0625, which lies between what values? That is very, very important. You have to in the real line. Okay, 0.0625 lies between. Tell me the answer. మీకు ఫైనల్గా ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసినా కూడా ఎక్కడ ఉంటుందో కూడా చెప్పండి డౌట్. ఇది మైనస్ కదా, మైనస్ అనేది 0.5 to 0.6 0.6 to 0.7 ఎట్లా. ఓకే, డోంట్ వరీ, ఇట్ లైస్ బిట్వీన్ minus 0.072 minus 0.06. Okay, when you take the real line, it is minus 0.06 and it is minus 0.07. Okay, 0.061, 0.062, like this. Okay, here decreasing. So definitely the option is second option. Okay, these models definitely takes lot of time. So you have to skip in the first stage and you have to do it in last. There is no short trick for these models. You have to proceed in this way only. Clear? And thank you very much. Have a good day. All the best. And in the next class, I'll tell you the remaining problems, that is 21 to 30 questions we will discuss. Have a good day. Jai Hind.